The Ingenuity helicopter has been a fantastic scout for the Rover, providing incredible images. Here, it flew over the wreckage left behind the mission's landing.
Of all nations. Let both sides seek to invoke the wonders of science instead of its terrors. Together, let us explore the stars.
The Opportunity rover covered over 28 miles or 45 kilometers in under 15 years. It's deemed by many as NASA's most successful mission ever. It was only stopped by a global Martian dust storm, which left it without power and exposed internal components to freezing temperatures.